Hello watchers, today we're going to work on GE dishwasher. Here's a model. I'm gonna put it in description as well. So main concern with this dishwasher was the leakage. I did fix it. I'm gonna attach the link to the short video how to fix it. In my case it was this cover. So while I was fixing it, I saw an issue with a heating element. That plastic thing got melted. Right now it's still working, but to avoid future repairs and visit here, I offered to change it as well. So let's get started. For right now, it depends how long your hoses are that connected over here. So for right now, we just can disconnect it. And now we need to pull it out. To pull it out, there are usually two screws, one over here, but nothing here. Sometimes it's on the side and this hole, but there is nothing in my case. Now I'm gonna take this metal cover plate off to make sure I don't scratch any floor. So 1 and 2. Remove this, put it on the side, 2 screws, and now just gonna pull it out. Now you're going to the back of your dishwasher and you need to locate 2 holders that hold in your heating element. In this case, this one and this one. I didn't screw it already, so you can unscrew this one. You might need a tool for that if it's too tight. And now you need to disconnect this. It probably would be easier if you disconnect the wires first. We're gonna install a new one. Here we go. That's it. Now we're going back here. Probably need to take this off. Usually just twist it, but not in my case. You can undo this, lift this, kind of play with it. Here we go. It will be easier to disconnect this thing. Okay. So now you just have to press this part to the top and turn it. So now it will be easier to install it. So now I just had a new piece installed, but for this one, for the old one, we used this to tighten it up. But for a new one, I have to use this. This is kind of a little bit big, so let's try to do this one and I'll see. I don't really like it, even it was OEM. Okay, I put it back, but since it got disposed like this, instead of being covered like that, I'm gonna use this heat tubing. Of course I don't have a heat gun with me, but I'm gonna just use electric tape and do something like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped you guys a lot. There is nothing really complicated. It's just one thing. I'm happy that my hose is long enough to not making me to disconnect water and all that stuff dealing with the water. So now it looks like this. Of course, I'm gonna test it, and that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.